This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust the flight distance limit on this drone. So to start, you will need to enter the fly interface and launch settings by tapping at the three dots you'll find in the top right corner of the display. Now make sure that the safety category is selected on top and scroll down the options until you'll find the max distance adjustment. Now you can set it by using this adjustment bar to be anywhere between 20 meters and 8 kilometers, or no limit if you don't want to have any artificial distance limit or max distance limit. You want to simply go by the connection between RC and aircraft. So what I mean by that is, as far as the connection between them will allow for as far you or as big of a distance you'll fly it. You'll fly the drone, I mean. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.